Hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel ALB English Classes. Here in this video we will do worksheet 4. In the last video I have already discussed worksheet 2 and worksheet 3. So first we will read the instruction of worksheet 4. Match column A with column B to understand the use of the. The is an definite article and we will use the before definite noun. Okay, so next we will do this worksheet. Here is column A and here is column B. So we have to match column A with column B. The man with a golden pen. The, here it is in bold written the. So why we will use the before man? So here in this column we have when we particularize a person or a thing, then we will use the. This is particularized, that man is particularized here because the man with a golden pen, it is particularized, so that the is used. Next come to number 2. I bought a book. The book is about ghosts. The book. The, here this is definite article used before book. So here it is when we have talked about a person or thing before. So we have already talked about this book before. I bought a book. The book is about ghosts. So that we have used the before book. The United States of America. Number 3. Before the name of a country that includes a common noun. So any name of a country includes a common noun, we will use the. United Kingdom, United States of America. So before that we will use the. The president. Number 4. When a person or thing is unique, so we understand who or what we are talking about. So when a person is unique, like the president is unique, so that we will use the before this noun. The Brahmaputra is the name of a river, so that here before the name of a river we will use the. The Himalayas is a mountain range, so we will use the before Himalayas. So here we have before the name of mountain range, we will use the.